Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shridhar Boddul. I'm a consulting homeopathic doctor and a psychologist. I wish all of you a very happy World Homeopathy Day. World Homeopathy Day is celebrated in memory of our founder Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, who was born on this very day. I take this opportunity to share some insights on the system of homeopathy with you. Generally, the common notion which many people have about homeopathy is that homeopathy is a very slow acting system of medicine. Now, to give clarity on this, you will need to first understand how does the system of homeopathy actually operates. Like, it operates on what concept? Homeopathy operates on the concept of cause and effect. It believes that every particular effect manifesting in your body is because of a particular cause. Now, if we consider a common ailment like a fever to a very serious ailment like a cancer, this entire broad range can be clubbed into four causes. So there are four causes which are responsible for all kinds of complaints in your body. The first cause is the environmental cause. Environmental cause means when there is a change in the environmental factors, when there is too much of heat, when there is too much of cold, when there is lot of dampness in the weather, or there is sudden change of temperature. And if any complaint is manifesting because of such changes in the environment, then that comes under the domain of environmental cause. The second cause is the chemical cause. So chemical cause means when there is an allergen reaction. So suppose if you are allergic to any particular foodstuff, to any particular pollen, dander or animal hair or any such stuff, then the complaints which are arising because of such allergic reaction come under the domain of chemical cause. The third cause is the mechanical cause. Mechanical cause attributes all those causes which are arising due to some injury or trauma. Now suppose you face any injury, like you fall down, you have a fracture, you break your bone, or there is a dislocation, or there are some kind of injury in any form, will come under the domain of mechanical cause. Environmental cause, chemical cause and mechanical cause are responsible for 10 to 15% of the problems, but 85 to 90% of the problems are arising because of a very important cause, which is the emotional cause. Now, what do we mean by emotional cause? See, we all have emotions. We all tend to get angry. We all tend to get sad, disappointed, and manifest different kinds of emotions. Now, you see that every particular emotion is attached to particular neurotransmitters and particular hormones. So, if there is an incidence wherein the emotional upheaval or emotional disturbance crosses its threshold, then it can have an impact on the functioning of hormones. Once the functioning of hormones in your body is impacted, it has an effect on the immune system. And once the immune system of your body gets impacted, then it gives an entry for any disease in the body. So immune system can be considered like the gates of a fort. So once the gates open, the fort is compromised. So as we have seen, there are four causes which are responsible for all kinds of complaints. So homeopathy believes in treating the cause rather than treating the symptoms. So from the allopathic standpoint, allopathy is a very symptomatic way of treatment, wherein if you are having an headache, or if you are having a fever, or if you are having inflammation, then you are given something like an antipyretic for the fever, or anti-inflammatory, or an antibiotic for an infection. Focus here is treating the particular symptom. But from the homeopathic standpoint, we tend to treat the case in a holistic manner. So holistic manner in the sense we take into consideration the mental picture and the physical picture as well, and based upon that we come up to a very customized medicine which can help you resolve the complaint in its whole. So we believe that if the cause is treated, then the effect will cease to exist. So homeopathic system is a very natural system of medicine which is aiming at a holistic way of treatment rather than a very symptomatic way of treatment. So So the thing is that I'll just give you a very common analogy. Now, suppose that I am eating a sweet dish, something like a gulab jamun, and you will understand the impact of a gulab jamun only when you eat it. So you cannot borrow the experience of someone else while giving your judgment or giving your opinion. So to understand the efficacy of homeopathy, you have to try homeopathy for yourself. It is only then when you can experience the results and you can be a better judge of the system of medicine. Homeopathy as a system of medicine is safe and effective for all age groups, be it the pediatric age group, be it the adolescents, the adults, or the geriatric or the elderly group of patients. All patients show very good results with homeopathy, and at the same time, homeopathy is also having some wonderful results in respiratory conditions, in skin diseases, and at the same time, in cases wherein autoimmune cases which are very difficult to handle from the allopathic standpoint. Having said that, being a homeopathic doctor, it does not mean that we are against the allopathic system of medicine, or we are preventing people from taking allopathic medicine. The thing is that all systems of medicine have their own good effects, and we believe that all systems of medicine should actually focus on giving the best to the patient coming to them. So, I believe that I have been able to resolve some doubts with regards to homeopathy in your mind. If you have any more doubts about the system of medicine, you can comment or you can message me in the comment section below, and I would be glad to answer your queries on the same. Warm regards, and may God bless you. Have a great day.